Come on, I because I could be. And then, can you qualify class? I admit. And then, Mama Jesus, Afamuru, Madam Theresa, all the way from Imebo.
Abagana.
Oh, yes. All the way from Abagana. Oh, yes. And my guest is.
Jesus. I know it's your man. It's your milk, CruisewithJoe.
And since he helped me, you know, all the way from Owerri. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. You know, last time you went. The last time you were on the show, you used to know it's your boy. And this is like, I think, 4 months after you wanna is your man. It took 4 months to become a man. Oh my God. I love it for you. But it's not key, teacher. Hey,
I just came back from abroad.
What was the ego? Abroad, don't care. Okotonu. I'm talking abroad anyway. You left the country. On my hand, Dialects exchange. Of course. Now I'm gonna so I'm going
Owerri. Oh, came back.
Beautiful. No, I'm so Bagana, Anambra. Are we ready to do this?
Ever ready?
Oh yes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the first word is farm. Farm in Owerri. Ejenubi. I think it has
Uzubi. Ina cheme magisi ano uzubi. O beja man me beje toast man. Chole ba man titi geje me uzibi.
Iya mabunu. Onwe bozi na toast to fana bro nubi. Well, ihe na akpụ ya bụ ugbo. Yes, ịkọ ugbo, that means to go to a farm. Ị na-alụ ọrụ ugbo, it means you're a farmer. You know, and stuff like that. Ugbo ka ị na-akpụ ya. Before you share your livelihood. So, let's go on. The second word. Foolishness. When I see this word, I remember a friend of mine. I have Mommy Jemima. My goodness. Mommy Jemima did just and I'll translate it now. Iberibe. Hey! Zuzu. So is that when I'm not Iberibe? You know, foolishness can refer to Iberibe. Bulukwan Zuzu. Can you not? You don't say. Oh my God.
Island. Come on, home.
Papa. The next statement. The word is irritation. Okay. And when I think of that word, I feel irritation. Oh my goodness.
I am supposed to say that for you. I mean, what is all of these colors going on your neck? It's giving rainbow. You think you have a shown everywhere?
I didn't want to speak about it, but I guess 980. I'm irritated by your order. Jesus! But let's move on. Ovuma.
Ovuma, ma'am, Me am gante rodo ba. Mana save on. You man say, alo bra na ejile rulona. Hey, so ma wunde je riona. Akon mani so mo riona. Riona ba ovuma, ma'am. I will name ma'am. Jam. Bam jino no ga na. Onu ge shigaga. Ma no ga lologa. Iwala. Ne digaga because enwere mo ndiri. Iwala.
Ne digaga.
Ovuma.
So bad.
Ne him ne japo ne.
O ihe na pia ba rumba kase. Okay, I run back. I'm irritated.
Do you ever think that your language is a bit too basic, your dialect?
Just like the way your English sounds. Basic. Absolutely basic. Just as I feel right now. Okay, I didn't call you for my scarf.
You for your scarf?
Yes.
Okay, make it give me a fellow. Let my people go.
Well, I'd rather look like that. I'd rather be comfortable.
Hey! No.
Freedom.
This is play.
Absolute freedom. I mean, I'm a woman of authority. I can do what I want.
Looking like
hey. Okay.
Mr. Theresa. I hate it. Before you wearing Let's go back to the next one.
Okay, don't keep wasting. You see, I'm what I go. You know, I've always wanted to be a natural woman.
That reminds me of Mamunde me.
Your wife can relate. The next word. So get a good night there. No worry.
I need that way. I want sheep.
One sheep.
One larakodo.
My husband is alive.
Oh.
So now, get what of the widower? Get good night. What is sheep? Okay. So if anyone up here, but I just do one. Mobile, you know, one yajadu.
Yeah, when
Mobile, where you will go to Abby, and the end, I'm telling you, casket direct. Of course. So, what can I do? Mobajadu, okay. That's pretty much it. You know, widower. Oh, yes. The next word. Oh, that says, I have suffered. Hey, let me go first. So that simply translates to Atalamafufu. A lot of Nigerians now Atafufu. It's a terrible thing, which is why Onyabuno was urged to, get their PVCs, get ready for 2023 elections.
Yeah. Hey. Come May or come shine. I mean, look at you. You've been in this state all your life. Hey, honey, they cool. Ahushilamanya. Oh, Orani Rodo. Ahushilamanya. Eri lamshi. When Gamana Yijigimere, Ubomba branch. Yijigimere Ubomba branch.
Give Ubomba branch.
Imani Bija, Asa. Uwe, Irule Ebe, Mel, and Mio Hager. Hey, the band the manager Stampa, Nime Ushisha, the man behind no Gamba and no Nosh.
Hey, what you don't say. Speaking of Etanshi, your wife going all the way to Dubai to do that just so that people will earn money.
She what?
And alleviate your generation from poverty. Not come, at least not along she would go. The next word. Oh, small. That pretty much defines you.
What better defines me is Anakoronkunejon. Biscuit bone.
Oh, yes!
And the chile Japia came me up a berry.
Biscuit bone, if I can tell you. If I'm not giving up on you.
Akramo, your frustration.
Yes. That brings us to the translation of the word. Obele. Yeah, small. Obele. Yeah, small person. Obele mother.
Now the word. Money Bampically. Oh God. Oh! Le Macra dialect. Money Bampically. Picture of man. Oh,
I have a nickname for you. Pinchok.
Okay.
Picture long. Pinchok. Don't you think so? The next and final word. Oh! Argument. Some would say they find a name on this show for arguments. But would you agree?
I'm sure.
No, we're pretty much having a conversation. Oh, yeah.
Right. And the Afghan Ginokokaji.
Hey, what? If you can knock a Gio,
Oh, baby.
please translate the word.
Oh. Have you ever had this dialect that gives you confidence? Originium flesh. Originium beers. Originium comfort. Voila. Listen to me.
Before you translate it, it's not a Nyagi beginning.
What's the name comfort?
Before that.
Hatoka.
Oh, it's not beers. It's beers.
Man.
Beard. I'm not even pastor. I just want you to
Hey.
pronounce it correctly. Because it doesn't give you knowledge. It doesn't
It's
give you
funny
wisdom.
how you know things pertaining to men and you're a woman.
Photo.
I'm excited.
Translate argument, please. Ishiago.
Hey!
That actually sounds quite good. Oh, Ishiago. Ishiago. Okay, Ishiago. Are you cooking something? Ishi. Anyway, what we call it is Inyonyo. And I always feel like that's better than Ishiago. Okay, Ishiago. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us on this very, very riveting episode of Dialect Exchange. Oh yes, my guest of course has been Olololo. Okay? Gaga Dudu.
Point of correction. Start with Gaga Dudu.
Then Olololo.
Olu. Ganati ya pokrepo.
Okripo.
They are blessed there with Joe Pondek.
Imagine you like each other, part of it. I can eat what I see. I mean, look at you. The last time I was on the show, I did remind you of how dry you looked. Oh, Uncle.
Jesus!
My name is Madam Theresa Memboji, so all the way from Mabagana. Thank you for joining us. Got it.